World-famous artist Jun Taeom is a famous Korean photographer who won a gold medal at the American Photography Association International Competition, a silver medal in Hungary, and an honorable mention award at the Western American Competition. He has won more than 220 awards in 25 countries around the world by 2022, including the 8th World Olympics in Greece, France, Germany, the Czech Republic, and Spain. In cities where his award-winning works were displayed, his works were displayed in more than 200 cities around the world, including New York, Seoul, Germany, France, and Hong Kong. Like the Four Seasons of Light and Life Mudstorms, it held more than 30 individual exhibitions until 2022, and topped the Seoul Art Show held at COEX in Seoul for the third consecutive year, 2017 to 2019. South Korea's President Moon Jae-in, National Intelligence Service Director Park Ji-won, Prime Minister Chung Si-kyun, Prime Minister Lee Nak-yeon, and his works are loved by many fans. His work, which was taken on the spot and taught his students while serving as a professor of media broadcasting, is developing from Pulitzer realism photography to creative sector. His works inspire many artists and people.